Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to lock chat on Telegram. Telegram is a solid messaging app and a worthy alternative to WhatsApp. While it is secure, it's not safe from others who can pick at your phone or computer if you tend to leave them unlocked. Thankfully, you can add a passcode to prevent anyone from gaining access to Telegram messages, even if they have your device. You can also set a timer to auto-lock the Telegram app after a specific time if you aren't using it or if you're away for a while. On Android phones, you can use the fingerprint scanner to lock the Telegram apps besides using the passcode option. Here's how to enable passcode in the Telegram app on your Android phone. Select the three-bar menu icon in the top left of the window. From the menu, select Settings. Then, select the Privacy and Security option. Scroll down to the Security section and select Passcode Lock. Toggle the switch on for the passcode lock. And from the next window, you can tap on the pin option at the top to pick between settings, a 4-digit pin, or an alphanumeric password. When done, tap the checkmark icon at the top right to confirm the changes. The next window shows Unlock with Fingerprint option enabled by default. Under it, you can pick the auto-lock duration for Telegram to automatically lock the app if you are away for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, or 5 hours. You can keep the option for show up content in task switcher enabled if you want to take screenshots, except of secret chats in the app. If you disabled it, the Telegram messages content will be hidden in the task switcher. After enabling the Telegram app's passcode, no one can pick at your messages even if you leave your phone or computer unlocked and unattended. Of course, the auto-lock feature comes in handy to automatically lock Telegram messages if you forget to lock your phone or computer manually. Adding a passcode will not only secure your messages, but also the groups and channels you're part of. You can add some Telegram bots to spice up the chats and explore other useful Telegram features to become an advanced user. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.